Hi, this is Dr. Tom Lambert, and I'm here in Germany, and I've been introduced to the brand new Oral-B Braun IO toothbrush. And what this is going to bring to my patients is going to improve their oral health care and ultimately their oral systemic health. And the magnetic technology within this new brush, which was designed from the ground up, is very impressive. It's smooth, it's gentle, it's thorough, and it will make a difference in my patients' lives. The Oral-B IO creates an experience for our patients. It glides, it's smooth, it's comfortable to use, and the vibration and all the things we traditionally think about electric toothbrushes are gone. This is the brush of the future, it's the brush of now.